In this video, I will show you how you can connect your AirPods 4 with your iPhone. Now, to connect your AirPods 4 with your iPhone, just simply make sure that your AirPods have enough charge. Now just plug your AirPods into charge for a couple of minutes, and after that, just open the lid of your AirPods and you will see a pop-up on the screen of your iPhone. If you cannot see the pop-up on the screen, then just double tap on the LED on your AirPods case. And once the LED starts blinking white, then this indicates that your AirPods have entered into pairing mode. Now from here, you will see a pop-up on the screen of your iPhone, and from there, just tap on connect. But if you've done that and if you still cannot see the pop-up on the screen, then just close the lid of your AirPods and go to settings. From here, just tap on Bluetooth and make sure you enable the toggle for Bluetooth. After you do that, then just open the lid of your AirPods and double tap on the LED until it starts blinking white. Once the LED starts blinking white, you will see the name of your AirPods under the available devices section. Just tap on the name of your AirPods and you will connect your AirPods with your iPhone. Just like that. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.